Hi friends, a very warm welcome to Tanushri's Reading Room. Vocabulary practice continues and today it's lesson 6. I have again jotted down a set of sentences and I have marked the answers in red. Correspondingly, the numbers to the answers have been given in brackets and the answers have been discussed below the exercise. But I would request you all that if you want to really benefit from these exercises that I am sharing with you all, please practice them first and then only check out the answers. If you check out the answers in the beginning only, then there will be a lot of confusions and you will not be able to detect which one will be the most appropriate word. So let's start, friends. Our team is not yet ready for the coming match. Some of our players have been injured very badly last time. We are not losing hope yet because there are still 3 more months before the annual sports. Our coach as well as physical instructor Mr. Gupta is helping us a lot. We are practicing hard but the opponent team is having some very strong players this time. Last year it was a draw but this time our school is expecting the trophy. We are under real pressure and planning strategies every day so that we fulfill everybody's expectations. Let's hope for the best and prepare for the worst. We will have a healthy sport at any cost. Now, let's compare the answers. Our team is not yet ready for the coming match. Let's check out with the other options. Our team is not ready for the coming match. Our team is not on ready for the coming match. Our team is not yet ready for the coming match. Our team is not at ready for the coming match. So, the most appropriate answer is clear. That is yet. Our team is not yet ready for the coming match. That means it is suggesting a specific period of time that till now our team is not ready for the coming match. Next, some of our players have been injured very badly last time. Let's check out with the other options. Some of our players have been injured very badly fast time. This is absolutely wrong because FAST fast is a word that helps us in understanding the speed of something or of a person or anything. It is actually used in case of determining speed. Some of our players have been injured very badly first time. This is also absolutely rubbish. Some of our players have been injured very badly but time. This is absolutely funny. So you can very well understand that the correct answer is clearly obvious. It is some of our players have been injured very badly last time. That is the last match that we played. In that match, some of our players were injured very badly. We are not losing hope yet because there are still 3 more months before the annual sports. Because is again being used here as a conjunction. It is helping us to understand the situation, the reason that why we are not losing hope. Let's check out with the other options. We are not losing hope yet since there are still 3 more months. We are not losing hope yet of there are 3 more months. We are not losing hope yet because there are 3 more months. We are not losing hope yet on there are 3 more months. So because since they are almost similar in meaning, but because is the most appropriate word here, because we have to tell the reason of why we are not losing hope. So friends, I hope these lessons are helping you. If you are finding them really likable and helpful, please subscribe to Tanushri's Reading Room and please share your experience with me. Stay happy. See you in my next lesson with something new. Till then, take care of yourself and please share your experience with Tanushri's Reading Room. Bye bye.